Step Up programs is an acronym. It stands for Secure, Train, Educate, and Protect.
Step Up is an initiative here at Convergint where Convergint and its partners give back to local schools in the community by providing security system and security system upgrades at no cost.
I have 2 kids. I saw some of this as my kids were growing up in elementary school. I would go to the school to pick them up, and there were no controls. Most schools you can just walk into.
My children attended Sandiak Elementary School on the day of the tragedy, December 14, 2012. They all survived physically, but emotionally it was very hard to get my kids to feel safe at school. To give back to school safety is where my passion is, and to make schools and communities safer.
I think of events like Step Up are a really good reminder to kind of take a step back for a second. I think especially having Carly here to give a tangible story of what she went through really puts things into perspective.
Being here with Convergint and all of Convergent's partners to give back on one single day to make a school safer in 8 hours is inspiring.
Step Up was founded in 2018 and the vision was there, right? Really taking this and turn it into something that can be replicable across the world, really.
I want to be a part of that growth. I think it's really important to have these days, people giving back, people donating.
For the first time in 2025, we actually have 20 different offices giving back to 20 different school districts and schools in their communities across the globe in 4 different countries. We're in Thailand, we're in India, and we're in China. It's very unique for a company to want to do something like this where we come in and at no cost provide these upgrades, and there truly is no strings attached. And so when that light bulb clicks for that superintendent or that security person, it's truly incredible. It's some of my most favorite meetings.
Each one of our colleagues has a why. It's why they come to work. It's why they do what they do. Step Up here today, it's Convergent's why. It's us as an organization giving back to the community. It's us living out our culture.
Yeah, it's very rewarding. We save lives every day. If we can go out of our norm with our customers and we give back to the community and save lives in the community, proud.
We do the right thing because it's the right thing to do. That's how I view our values and beliefs. This is the right thing to do.